Hello everybody, today we're going to do a double chocolate zucchini bread. So the ingredients we're going to need are salt, white sugar, walnuts, baking powder, cocoa powder, baking soda, flax, flour, chocolate chips, eggs, olive oil, vanilla, and our zucchini. Please put the oven on to 350 degrees. So for the first step of this recipe, what we're going to do is we're going to take our salt, our white sugar, our walnuts, our baking soda and baking powder, our cocoa, our flax, and our flour, and we're going to mix it together in our bowl. Now in another bowl with our mixer, we're going to mix together our olive oil, our eggs, our vanilla, and our zucchini. Now we're going to add in our powder to our mix and add our chocolate chips, and then we're going to mix again with our mixer. Now we're going to put our mixture in our molds and put it in the oven for 1 hour. this is all for today, foodies. I hope you had fun in the kitchen, and I hope to see you next time. Don't forget to